Let's chat law. Professor Emeritus, how do I deal with my unhealthy emotions? All right, brief teaching on CBT, cognitive behavior therapy, or rational emotive behavior therapy to help manage emotions. Now, beliefs, cognitives, emotions, and behavior is dynamic or interdependent. They affect each other. Your goals could be philosophical change, that's change in your beliefs. When you have emotional problems, you may want philosophical change or inferential change or behavior change. Example, learning some new skills to help you in the area of rejection by ladies. All right, the ABC of CBT. Example, and let's look at example, anxiety, prospect of audience laughing at me if I do an advocacy presentation. The A stands for critical event, prospect of audience laughing at me. That's the A, the ABC of CBT. B is belief. The audience must not laugh at me, and C is consequence. Consequences could be the emotional disturbances or bad behavior or attitude or not negative automatic thinking. All right, negative thinking, according to Bex, is not the events that causes our feelings or emotions, but our thinking. Example, failing in a law exams, your contract law exams is not what is causing the problem, but your thinking about the failure in the exams. And Ellis takes it further. So why do we think, behave, and feel the way we do? And the answer is our beliefs. For negative, irrational beliefs. So what underpins your emotions? Your irrational beliefs underpins unhealthy emotions or negative emotions. They are absolute demands. I must. Example, I must pass my exams. It is rigid, it is not logical, and it's not pragmatic. That's irrational beliefs. Your languages are like, it is awful, I can't stand it, I'm a failure, it is the end of the world. When you hold irrational beliefs, but when you hold rational beliefs, that's non-dogmatic preferences. It is flexible, it is pragmatic, helpful, and it is logical. And your languages, I can make it, I can stand it, I'm not a failure, it's not the end of the world, it is not awful. All right, let's look at inferences or the critical A. What triggers your underlying belief, the underpinning belief, is what we call the critical event or the hot thought. Let's look at the lady looking through the window illustration. If you are in the same room, you may interpret it as she's looking at the sky or tree, or you could say that she's looking through the window because she doesn't want to look at my face. So long as you connect it to you, reference to you, you can be emotionally disturbed. You can become hurt or angry because you think she's looking through the window because she's avoiding you. So that is what we call the critical A, hot spot. Hot thinking. Unhealthy emotions are depression, anxiety, hurt, shame, guilt, unhealthy anger, unhealthy envy, and unhealthy jealousy. All right, case study. Let's look at an event, failing your contract law exams. The feelings will be depression. Unless you have the feeling depression. That is, it is not failing the contract law exams that caused the depression. but rather your beliefs, your irrational beliefs that I must not fail the exams, that caused that depression. All right, we have to dispute our irrational beliefs, and we use 3 major arguments. Number 1, empirical arguments. Your irrational belief, where is the evidence? Where is the evidence? 2, logical argument. Does it make sense? Your irrational belief, does it make sense? 3, pragmatic argument. Is it helpful? Is it helping your goals, your cause? Is it helping your emotions and your behavior? All right, so now, then change your rational beliefs to irrational beliefs to rational beliefs if it's not helping you. So I would prefer to fail. I'll prefer not to fail my contract exams. But if I fail, it's not the end of the world. I can stand it, and it will not be awful. The irrational beliefs consequentially will affect your thinking, your emotions, and behavior negatively, because those elements are dynamic. All right, thanks for watching. Please, can you share, subscribe to my channel, and have a look at my topic on anxiety.